In this video, let me show you how to find a TikTok stream key. First, you need at least 1,000 followers. In some regions, TikTok raised the requirement to 1,600, but 1,000 is still widely accepted. You also need to be over 18 years old and have a good account standing with no violations. I'll show you the test up method, which is the most reliable. Log into your TikTok account on your desktop browser, click Go Live, usually found in the left sidebar or top menu. This will open the Live Producer or Live Center page. Set a title and category. Click Save and Go Live. You're not broadcasting yet. At the bottom of the page, TikTok will show your server URL, also known as RTMP URL, and stream key. Click Copy and paste them into your streaming softwares like OBS, Streamlabs, or Restream. If you don't see the stream key, double check your follower count and your age on TikTok. Make sure your app is updated and consider applying through TikTok Live Studio or a partner platform to get early access. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.